11 ways you guys can earn the respect of others, and this is part 2 coming up. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going through 11 ways you guys can earn the respect of others, and this is part 2. And part 1, if you guys haven't watched it, you guys can go check out my channel and you guys can go watch that, because you guys should watch that before you watch this, because that's the first 11 way and this is the second 11 way. And if you guys are new to my channel, on the Prince channel, I talk about success, life changes, how you guys can change your life and live a happy and successful life. And in today's video, of course, we're going through 11 ways you guys can earn the respect of others, and this is part 2. So let's get started. Okay, number 1, always do your homework. This doesn't mean your school homework. This means do the due diligence. Number 2, be inspiring. You can be inspiring by talking to others about your passion and goals without holding them back. And number 3, learn to say no. This is a good one, because you see, when you're with your friend, with your mates, with your homies, whatever, you'll never say no to them. You say, okay, yes, of course. You never say no. Learn to say no. Don't feel guilty about saying no once in a while. Number 4, don't believe in the self-talks. What this means is, if you want others to respect you, of course, it avoids that you need to respect yourself. So you have to respect yourself and respect others, so the way you want to be respected. And I have the last video talks about this more. So if you guys want to know more about that, make sure you guys check out the part 1 of this. Believe in your ideas. Number 5, believe in your ideas. Don't discard your ideas, even if they seem funny, weird, or unworthy. Even if they're not worth anything, or unorthodox. So before I get up to number 6, consider subscribing, because in this channel, of course, I share videos to help you change your life and live a successful life. Number 6, speak up when you're mistreated. Don't just take it when someone is mistreating you or taking advantage of you. Number 7, stand up for someone else. So this is number 7 has a long thing I have to explain. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna say it briefly in a small way. So stand up for someone else. When you stand up for someone else, and when something happens to you, they're gonna stand up for you. Maybe in a fight. Let's not just talk about the fight. Let's just talk about other stuff. So just stand up for someone else, because they're gonna stand up for you one day. Number 8, speak your mind. When it's necessary, make sure you speak your mind. Number 9, stop talking. Sometimes you need to stop talking and listen. And this happens a lot in school as well. Number 10, care about others. Start caring about others. Pay attention to your surroundings and the people in your life. Whether it's at work, home, or church. They didn't put school, so I'll put school in there. Number 11, control your emotions. Make sure to curb your instant reactions to things that make you high emotional, whether it's good or bad. It might be good, it might be bad, so just control your emotions. That was 11 ways you guys can earn the respect of others, part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Actually, we don't have a part 3 tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.